homies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this Kinky Straight 13x4 lace front wig, and this wig is from Beauty Forever Hair. And honestly, this is probably one of my favorite wig installs that I've ever done. I'll give you guys more detail to why it is, but oh my gosh, look at this hair. And I'll show you guys how I straighten it too, because it didn't naturally come like this. It came like really big and floofy. It's super long as well. With this wig install, I am going to be showing you guys a natural makeup look, because this wig is very natural and I just wanted to match the theme, you know. Without further ado, let's get started with this wig install and makeup look. Once you receive your hair, this is how everything will look. With the goodies I received, I did receive bald caps and 2 edge bands, lashes, and a makeup brush. The hair will come protected with a plastic bag and a hairnet. The hair lining of this wig is so nice. Like, I love how it has the baby hairs. It's already pre-plucked. The hairline is perfect. I decided to bleach the knots because it'll make the hair look way more natural. And just look how good it is right after I bleached it, and look how shiny it is after I done co-washed it and everything. Now it's time for me to apply the wig, and I am going to be taking an alcohol swab and just wipe off my hairline of my forehead, because if we put it on a greasy forehead, then it's just gonna come off easier. But look how good this wig looks. Like, look at the lining. Like, the hair lining is so good, and I love the thickness of this hair. It's so floofy and really thick, and you know, it doesn't look cheap at all. I did cut the bottom lace off because I don't need it, but I love how this part is detachable, so I didn't have to cut that off. But I am going to be using a lace tint spray by Eben and just tint the lace a little bit more. It's already tinted, but I just want it tinted a little bit more, you know, just for my liking. And I noticed that it helps make the hair look even more natural. So I'm just gonna tint it twice, blow dry it, then apply the wig. I did make 2 slits on the lace because I noticed to melt the lace in sections, but everything that I'm using in this video and mentioning will be listed down below in the description box. But I am going to be taking my Eben Wonderlace spray. I love this spray so much. Like, it works so good. It's like one of the best sprays out there. It works just like glue. And I did add about 4 layers on each section just to make sure that everything is melted together. And I'm so glad that I didn't do a bald cap method with this 13x4 lace front wig, because I notice every time I do a bald cap, like, it doesn't really work out for me, especially with my sideburns. So me not doing the bald cap method made a huge difference of how I applied the lace front, and me just sectioning it, because if I just try to do it all at once, it's gonna get messy, it's gonna look lopsided, and it just wouldn't work out. Now that I'm done with that, I am going to be taking my Beauty Forever edge band and just let that melt for about 10-15 minutes. I just really want to make sure everything is melted perfectly, and while that's melting, I am going to cut off the excess lace. It's been 15 minutes, and now I'm just gonna take it off, and I'm just gonna cut off the rest of the lace, or the excess lace. But look how good the hairline is. Like, I can't emphasize enough of how I really love this hairline. It looks like it's more of my hairline, not like 100%, but it looks way more natural on me, because sometimes with hairlines they can look too round and it just doesn't look natural on me. I just wiped off my forehead again with the alcohol swab, and now I'm just gonna take my even winter lace spray and apply it on the comb and just make sure that the lace is more melted after I just cut the excess lace off. And then I'm gonna add the edge band and let that melt for another 15 minutes. But y'all, this hair is so thick. Like, look how thick this hair is. It's super easy to detangle. I don't have to worry about too much shedding. Usually with a lot of thick wigs there can be a lot of shedding, but no, for real, this looks like my natural hair blow dried before I straighten it. This hair does have 150% density to it. It is 100% human hair. It's not fake whatsoever. Pure natural virgin human hair. And the length of this hair is 24 inches, but on me it looks like it's 26 maybe. Now it's time for me to straighten it, so I am going to be using my heat protecting serum. And honestly, I think I may have put too much, because I know this hair should not be smoking like this, but I know it's a protecting spray, but I just know that I just added too much. So make sure you guys apply the serum all over their hair, and only add the serum when the hair is maybe looking a little bit too frizzy, and all you need is a dot of it because it's so good. I did part the hair in sections because I kind of was aiming for the hair to look like it was silk pressed, but you know, it's okay. I did try my best, and now I'm taking a little juicy break. Yeah, so pretty much I'm just sectioning my hair, adding a little bit of serum, but really all you need is a dot. I added a little bit too much. Then just straighten the sections. And oh, I want to tell you guys about the wig cap. So the wig cap on the wig, like, it fits perfectly. Like, there's so much space, but you can also adjust it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. So it's definitely big head friendly. Yeah, the average cap size is 21.5 between 22 inches. It is adjustable, and with the hair length you can get it at 14 inches between 24 inches. But like I said, the 24 inches feels like, or looks like, 26 inches on me. This hair can also be worn as a glueless wig because the lace on it is really good quality and transparent pretty much. Now I'm gonna hot comb the hair, and I'm gonna take my SHEGLAM wax stick, and I forgot how good this is. I haven't used this in a few months, but this is gonna help lay everything down, no flyaways, and it's just gonna make the hair look really shiny and good. Yeah, the SHEGLAM wax stick is one of the best. I definitely recommend you guys trying it out if you haven't already. But now I'm just gonna part my hair in the middle, make it more straight and even. And all the hair products that I'm using in this video you guys can get on Amazon, which I'll link them down below. And make sure you guys go follow my Amazon storefront. The lace on this wig is perfect already. It's already melted. It looks so good. But if you feel like being extra like me and make it match a little bit more, then I recommend you guys using a concealer that's exactly your skin tone and a powder that's exactly your skin tone. And look how good it made the lace look. Like, you can barely see the lace now. Now I'm doing a few touch-ups on the hair with the hot comb, but look how amazing the hairline is looking in the hair. I am in true disbelief of myself because this is the best wig install that I've ever done, or one of the best wig installs. The hairline, the thickness, the shine, like, it looks so good, and you guys will definitely love this wig from Beauty Forever Hair. But now it's time to do my makeup, so I'm just gonna keep it natural as possible, you know, just touch up some places and just enhance my natural features. And I even did my eyebrows pretty natural. Usually I'll have them a little bit darker. I had already moisturized my lips, prime. Now I'm color correcting so I can hide all the little dark acne pigmentations that I have on my face, and this makes a huge difference. Like, I recommend you guys getting a color corrector. Like I said, everything that I'm using in this video will be linked down below. For the foundation, I am going to be taking my e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter and just apply it everywhere. Like I said, I did want it pretty natural, but I didn't want to have a beat face, you know what I mean? I'm taking my Paw Paw Wonder Sponge. I said sponge. So yeah, taking my Paw Paw Wonder Sponge and just blend that out. And now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I haven't used this as an actual concealer for my under eyes in forever, and I forgot how good this is, so I may get this in a lighter color. I'm taking my Amrezy blush, and this is my first time using it, and this color is so pretty. I'm not sure if she's still gonna sell these or not, but if not, I'll try to find a similar one for you guys. Now I'm just baking because I have to bake for my face sometimes. I don't know, I was in a baking mood, and now I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place bronzer palette and just bronze up my face. I didn't do no cream contour. I didn't want the bake to bake too long, so I just wiped it off, or wiped it off. Then I almost forgot to contour my nose, because I noticed when I don't contour my nose, it kind of makes the makeup look off, because everything else has makeup on it except my nose, besides like foundation. So adding like contour to my nose makes a difference, I notice. Now I'm taking this blush from Ulta Beauty, and it's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty and shimmery. It's like really girly. Then I'm adding the bronzer to my crease. And then I almost forgot to set my face on this area, so I decided to do that real quick and just wipe it off quickly. Now I'm adding some highlight because I really want my face to look awake and glowy, and it's really rare for me not to add highlight on my face. I used a Makeup Revolution setting spray to melt everything together, and look how glowy my face is looking. See, this is why I always had highlight. And now I'm taking my Sky High mascara from Maybelline and just apply 2 coats of this on my lashes. For the lips, I'm taking my NYX lip liner in the shade Blushing, I believe. It's a really nice nude pinky color, but it's not too pink. Then going in with Fortune Cookie. Then I decided I wanted more gloss, so I added my Essence Shine lip gloss to top it off. And this is the finished result of the hair and the makeup. But if you guys want to know my final thoughts and opinions about this Beauty Forever hair, then just stay tuned towards the end of this video. I need to add some more lip gloss. You guys, this hair is so nice. First of all, look at the shine of this hair. Like, it's so shiny. This Kinky Straight hair is reminding me of the first time I straightened my hair in a really long time, and it was back in high school. So I'll try to insert a picture right here on the side. But honestly, this can look like your natural hair, especially if you have like really thick, kinky, curly hair, and once you blow it out and straighten it, it will look exactly like this, but instead you can get a wig so you can protect your actual hair and it'll still give the same type of look, especially if you're doing it correctly. This is the best install that I've done with edges. Like seriously, I'm so proud of myself with this part. So I'll say with this hair, I'll rate it a 10 out of 10, mainly because of the hair lining. It really made it easy for me to put it on my head. I'll link everything that I used in this video down below, including this beautiful wig from Beauty Forever Hair. If you guys have any questions or concerns, please let me know in the comments. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.